let's start. See, when we are asked to plot y is equal to 5, we have learned this in coordinate geometry that y is equal to 5 represents a line parallel to the x-axis, something like this, isn't it? Now, the next part is I'll be asking you how to plot y is being less than 5. Okay. Now, guys, understand y less than 5 is inequality ka matlab kya hai? Okay. We want all the points. We want the set of all the points whose y coordinate is definitely less than 5. Okay. So on this black colored line, okay, this black colored line now denotes what? This black color line denotes all the points jahan pe y coordinate is equal to 5, isn't it? Okay. So now the entire region below this line, okay, this entire region below the line consists of set of all the points, the infinite points, of course, okay, jinka y coordinate is definitely less than 5, isn't it? So if you ask me y less than 5, my answer will be the entire region below this line, isn't it? So y less than 5 is represented by the region below the line. Also in my answer, I cannot include this line, right, guys, because this line stands for y being equal to 5, whereas the question strictly demands y should be less than 5, right? So my answer should not consist of this black line. This black line is just a boundary, so I replace this complete black line with a dashed line, isn't it? So this is the required answer for y less than 5. Okay, a dotted line on y is equal to 5. Okay, and below the dotted line, whatever region you have, the entire region, you can color it. I did not color it right now because I do not have the expertise and tools to do that on PowerPoint. But yes, you can even color this region below the dotted line that denotes y less than 5. Okay. Now, people ask me कि इससे question कैसा आ सकता है? इससे question इस तरह का आ सकता है exam में. Okay, an MCQ that might ask you plot y less than 5. So you have to mark the answers. अब बहुत लोग guys घाई घाई में option A mark कर देते हैं जो कि बहुत गलत है. Okay, y less than 5 does not include y is equal to 5. Okay, so the line cannot be solid. A solid line indicates the inclusion of this line. Okay, so the answer cannot include the line. The right answer is option D, where the line is dotted. Okay, let's get some more clarity on this. We are supposed to plot now y less than 2x. Okay, guys, so always remember जब भी हम लोग inequality plot करते हैं, okay, the answer is going to be a region that consists of infinite points. एक region form होता है हमेशा. Okay, and hence the number of points will be infinite. Okay, so let's talk about y less than 2x in this case. When you want to plot y less than 2x, we take the boundary condition. What's the boundary condition? Y being equal to 2x. राइट right? तो y लेस देन 2x पहले y लेस देन 2x प्लॉट करने के पहले हम क्या प्लॉट करेंगे y इक्वल्स टू 2x. ओके, दिस वी हैव डन बिफोर इन द प्रीवियस क्लास. y इक्वल टू 2x प्लॉट करना है तो ये टेक वैल्यूज फॉर x. अगर x 0 दिया, y कितना आएगा? 2 into 0 0 होगा. अगर x का वैल्यू 4 आएगा, y कितना होगा? 2 into 4 8 होगा. I have taken the exact same points जो मैंने तब लिया था पहले. Okay, and now we plot these 2 points. You can see the red points flashing on the screen right now, the origin and 4,8. Okay, these 2 points. Right, and when you join them, you get the line y is equal to 2x. Okay, this line basically denotes y is equal to 2x. Okay, now guys, the significance of this line is is line pe, okay, on this line you take any point, the point will have y coordinate equals to twice the x coordinate. Take for example this 4,8, right? ये line form ही हमने ऐसे किया है. X coordinate was 4, y coordinate was 8, right? So on this line, okay, you take any point, the y coordinate is twice the x coordinate, right? So we want all the points now in the question where y coordinate is less than twice the x coordinate, right? So इस line के नीचे वाले सारे points लेंगे हम लोग. So we'll basically take all the points which are below this line, isn't it? So we basically mark the entire region below this line, okay, and that is the region which will consist of y coordinate being less than twice the x coordinate, right? Also, we saw previously you can't have a solid line y equals to 2x right now, so we replace that with a dotted line, and this is the final answer for y being less than 2x. Let's solve one more. Okay, y less than or equal to 5x minus 3. Okay, again we consider the limiting condition or the boundary condition, which is y is equal to 5x minus 3. Okay, so now in this case we take value of x which is 0, तो y कितना होगा? 5 into 0 minus 3. 5 into 0 minus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 5 into 0 is 0, minus 3 is minus 3. So when x is 0, y is minus 3. Same way if you take x is 2, so y की value कितनी होगी? 5 into 2 minus 3. 5 2s are 10, minus 3 is 7, right? So x कितना होगा? 7 के बराबर होगा, right? Okay, so we plot these 2 points right now, guys. You can see on the screen they're flashing. Okay, 0, minus 3 and 2, 7. These 2 points are flashing. When you join them, you get the line y is equal to 5x minus 3. Now, guys, you want the y coordinate to be less than or equal to 5x minus 3, right? On this line, we have already accounted for all the points where y is equal to 5x minus 3. So we also want a region which is below this, right? Okay, हम ये भी कह सकते हैं now that we want the region which is to the right of this line, right side of this line, right? So making it more diagrammatic, more easy to represent. Okay, I'll draw the lines like this. Okay, but just the different form of representation, that's all. Okay, and now will the line be dotted? No, the line will be solid here. Why? Because y is equal to 5x minus 3 is also a part of the solution, right? Less than equal to matlab less than or equal to. So y is equal to 5x minus 3 is included in the solution. So the answer will consist of a solid line.